Mr. Squirrel hanging out on the branches. Can't tell who that is. That might be Speedy coming over. What we got here? Come on. Come here, I got a nice hazelnut for you. That's good, right? Yeah. Who's coming over? Is that Speedy? It could be Doodle. Doodle, is that you? Yeah, that's Doodle coming across. I can tell by his chunky face. Doodle, come on. There you go. Give you a nice... you're too slow.
Doodle to come over, babe.
Well, here he comes. Come on, Doodle. Come on, Doodle. Come on. It's okay. Come on, Doodle. With your little fat self. Come on. He wants to. Come on. Oh, Doodle. Come on, Doodle.
I'll hold it down a little bit.
Come on. Come on. Come on.